Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make peach jam from canned peaches, easy method. Drain the peaches and reserve the syrup, mash fruit to desired chunkiness, mix syrup with sugar and lemon juice, bring to a simmer, cook until thickened and jammy while stirring, skim foam. Ladle into sterilized jars, seal, cool upright, store in refrigerator or process in a hot water bath for shelf stability and label jars. Start with a clean workspace and gather ingredients. Canned peaches, sugar, lemon juice, and pectin if you prefer faster set. Measure syrup and adjust sugar for sweetness, tasting as you go, and keep acid balance with lemon to help set and preserve flavor. Use a wide pot to speed evaporation, cook at a steady simmer, and test thickness with the plate or sheet method before canning or cooling the jam for fridge storage. Quick recommendation: if you're really enjoying this jam tutorial, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Also, droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle, great for kitchen prep or picnic days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one to make jam sessions more portable and fun. Thanks for the support and time. Now let's get back to the video. For safety, sterilize jars and lids. Follow hot water bath guidelines if you want shelf-stable jars, and always check seals before storing. If you skip canning, refrigerate jam and use within a few weeks. For flavor variations, add vanilla, cinnamon, or ginger during cooking or stir in fresh chopped peaches, and a splash of bourbon after cooling for a richer profile that pairs well with toast, yogurt, or cheese plates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.